Alright, so today we look at how this Airtable node works and how do we connect our Airtable account to n8n. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do here is go to Airtable, just log in into your account, and then once you log in, you'll be able to see this kind of a home screen. Now in this, you will have to first create a workspace for yourself, like I've created for myself on the left hand side here. You can just click on the plus button and you will be able to see your workspace name here. You can keep anything. I'll just go back and open the ones that I already have. And here, once you're there on the workspace page, just go on the right hand side here and click create. This will give you two options, whether you want to build your own app with Omni or whether you want to build your own app manually. Omni is basically their new AI feature using which you can create your custom workflows. I'll select as of now build an app on your own. So let's just click here. After that, you'll be able to see this blank table here. Let's just name it to demo demo 1 second. Yeah, demo table. And after that, we have these default names here. Sorry, the names of the columns here, names, notes, assignee, etc. Now, once this is done, go back to your account and then again click on account. Once you do this, you will be able to see an API section here. Just click on Go to Developers Hub. Once you click on Go to Developers Hub, again there will be an API key screen. Just click on Create Token. And after clicking here, again click on Create Token. You'll be able to see all the tokens that you have generated here. And now you'll have to create a token that will help you connect to your n8n. Let's just give it a name as well. Demo n8n token. And here we'll have to add a few scopes as well. From where do you get to know about those scopes? Go back to n8n. Once you click here and then click here to connect your credentials, you'll be able to see that it is asking for data records read, data records write, and schema basis read. So let's just go back to our Airtable token, add a scope, data records read, then again add data records write, and then the third one was schema basis read. So we have done this. After this, one of the last steps remaining here in Airtable is to add a base. A base is basically the table that you created in Airtable, which is the demo table. So let's just go and connect our base as well. So our base is this demo table and create token. Once this is done, you'll be able to see your token that is generated here. Copy this, go back to n8n, and then just paste this token here and retry. After that, you'll be able to see that you've got this message of connection tested successfully. So now officially your Airtable and n8n has established a connection. You can go ahead, use the nodes to fetch data from Airtable or maybe push data to it, and this will function properly. If this video was helpful, do give it a like.